Good day to you, my friend. We have a Skyworth LED basic TV here. Join me to fix this TV. Let's plug in the TV and let's track what the problem is. The logo appeared, then the picture had vertical bars. Let's observe the picture of this Skyworth 42 inches basic LED TV for a long time and see what happens to the display. The picture or display becomes okay, but the vertical bar also returns immediately. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I release this type of video. Thank you. This is the model number of this TV. Skyworth model number for 2E510S. Let's check all the parts. First, the power supply board, main board, and timing control board. All the parts are okay, no problem. All the boards are clean. In this kind of problem, let's just focus on his timing control board. Let's try to remove the ribbon flex one by one. Let's start with the one on the right. It's a bit difficult because of the double-sided tape on his ribbon flex. Let's be careful when removing these ribbon flexes. Be careful not to bend or damage the flex, or the screen problem will get worse. Now, let's plug in the TV and see what happened on the picture or display. On the side where we left the ribbon, the display is white. But on the other side, where the ribbon is still attached, there are vertical lines of different colors. Let's unplug the TV and put back the ribbon we removed. And remove the attached one and look at the picture again if there is a change. We have removed the ribbon. Let's plug it in and see the picture. The screen has a picture on the other side of the TV. And no vertical bar appears. Now we know which side of the panel is actually faulty. If you are not a subscriber to this channel, subscribe now. And if this video helps you, please share it. Thank you very much. The type of method we will use to repair this TV is the tape method. We will block all signals and it's swapping voltage. If you can see, I have put tape on his ribbon flex. Let's plug in the TV and see what happens on his picture or display. Wow, it's magic! Thanks to magic tape. The display or the picture is okay. No more vertical bars appear and his display is smooth. Let's just put back his back cover and stand. And let's do final testing. Now let's final test this Skyworth 42 inches LED basic TV. Let's test this TV for 24 hours straight, before returning to the owner.
Nasaan ako? Nasa ospital niyo. Pinila ka diretso dito.
This is Jovid Tech PH. Thank you for watching. God bless.
Naku, nag-alala na naman kayo. Talaga nag-aalala ako sa'yo, anak. Pero mabuti naman at gising ka na rin. Sorry. Imbis na ako iniintindi mo, yung sarili mong intindihin mo, magpagaling ka, anak.
Oh, nagising ka rin sa wakas!
Ano ka bata ka, Mura?